Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ExpressVPN with router-friendly setup, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the homepage. Select the subscription plan that suits your needs and click Continue. Create a new account by entering your email address and setting up a secure password. Proceed to the payment page to enter your billing information. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Open your email and click on the link to verify your account. Now, log into your ExpressVPN account on the website. Navigate to the Setup section in your account dashboard. Look for the option labeled Router or VPN on Router. Choose the router model you own from the list provided. Follow the specific instructions for your router model to download the setup files. If you need to change your router settings, access your router's administration panel via your web browser. Enter the router's IP address in the browser's address bar and log in using your credentials. Look for the VPN or Services section within the router settings. Upload the downloaded configuration files as per the instructions given on the ExpressVPN website. Input any additional required information, such as your username and password for the VPN service. Once you have completed the setup, save the changes to your router. Reboot the router to apply the new settings. After the reboot, reconnect any devices that were previously connected to your network. To confirm that your VPN is active, visit a site that shows your IP address. Make sure the displayed IP address reflects the location of your selected VPN server. Your ExpressVPN setup on the router is now complete and operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.